love, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. It's me, your favorite YouTuber, Sharika. Today I'm going to show you how I blow dry my hair. This is actually the second time of me showing how I blow dry my hair. People were asking me how I blow dry my hair, so here's a tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to brush my hair with my wooden brush, which I actually got it from Primark. It's actually very cheap. You guys should go and check it out. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a mousse on my hair because honestly it literally holds in the style so well. And then I'll be using a gel as well. It's literally my favorite. I love this gel so much. Yeah, check it out. I'm going to take some sections on top of my ear and then clip the top section of your hair. Anyways, so now obviously I'll be using a heat protectant on my hair. Honestly, if you don't use a heat protectant in 2023, girl, what are you doing? Next, as you can see that my hair is already parted into two sections, and then what I will be doing, I'll be putting some heat protectant on my hair, and then I'll be using my Babyliss or Babyliss, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. I'll be using that to dry my hair, as in give myself a good 90s blowout. As you can see, what I'm doing is I'm going inside and outside of my hair. Honestly, this works so well. The reason why I go towards my face is because it will literally give you that nice curl at the end. That is what I'm looking for. So do make sure when you do blow dry your hair, it is away from your face. So next what I will be doing is I'll be putting on a hair roller to secure that style in. I'll be doing the same thing on the other side, and basically what I will do is I will use a hair roller to hold that style in, and then what I will be doing is I'll be using a pin to secure that style in. You can see my hair is a bit damp, so what I'm doing is I'm actually blow drying several times just so that my hair could dry, and then at the end what I'm going to do is I will be blow drying this last section of my hair towards my face so that it can have a nice volume. Anyway, so what I'm doing is I'll be blow drying my hair again, and this time it will be inside of my face. What am I saying inside? Basically against my face. That is what I'm doing. It will literally give you such a nice shape and volume. But yeah, the reason why I keep blow drying my hair several times is because my hair is a bit damp. So what I'm trying to do is I'm also trying to get this dry. I'm sure there's not much to explain, but you can see what I'm doing. And then I will be setting it in with a hair roller. I'm finally done with the first set of my hair, so yeah, I'll be rolling that in with a hair roller, literally set that in. Hair from my crown area, and basically what I'm doing is I'm literally blow drying, and there's not much to explain, but basically I'm literally blow drying this against my face, not towards my face. I am finally done blow drying this part of the hair because honestly it was the hardest. Anyway, so now what I'm doing is I'm taking some hair from my temple area and I am literally blow drying this, and then I'm literally also doing this towards my face, not against my face. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to release this, and basically since I don't really have hair rollers, I kind of ran out of it. I'll be using a pin to secure that in, and then I'll be doing this side of my face and I'll blow dry my hair against my face. And then after that, I'll just pin it up. So now I'm finally done blow drying my hair. This is what the back side of my hair looks like. It is the next day. So now what I'm going to do, yes, I did pin in my curls and all that. This this is what the backside looks like without actually fixing your hair, so I actually loved it. But this is too much for me, so I'm actually going to try to fix my hair. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a keratin heat protecting oil. Honestly, I love using this because it literally moisturizes my hair so well. And not just that, I've also realized that my hair got a bit frizzy, so that's why I'm using it at the end of my hair. And it just would leave my hair smooth and silky for days. I actually had so many compliments while I actually used this oil. And yeah. Anyways, here's me. I'm finally done fixing my hair and I was just feeling myself like, ooh. And yes, I was also doing TikTok here and there, so that's why I was actually smiling like crazy. I was just showing off my hair. So yeah, you had to see the side as well. And then here's the back of my hair. It looks beautiful, like, oh my gosh. And then this is what it looks like from the front. Yeah, I just love the way my hair looks, honestly. Anyways, you guys, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Anyways, I'm gonna go then, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Bye.